welcome back to my channel. In today's video, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be styling our natural hair a few different ways. So this video is just going to help you to take whatever your go-to style is, whether that is a wash and go, twist out, perm rod set, flexi rod set, bantu knot out, whatever the case may be, whatever your go-to style is, this video is just gonna help you take it up just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna take it up a notch. So if you are new here, girl, go ahead and click that subscribe button. You don't have to right now. Don't feel pressured. You know, you probably don't know if you really like me yet or not, but if you make it to the end of this video and you like what you see, go ahead and catch up on some of my previous videos and click that subscribe button and join the Royelle fam. Okay, so the first style that we are going to be doing is right here. This is it. This is our wash and go. And it just pretty much speaks for itself. I mean, you wash your hair, sit under the dryer, stretch it out a little bit, and you go. It is not a wash and go. It is definitely a wash, condition, deep condition, apply gel, detangle, sit under the dryer, stretch it out. Then maybe we'll go somewhere. Or we'll just go to sleep because we're tired. hope you guys enjoyed all of the different hairstyles that I did. Also, I am very shocked that I am able to put my hair in a like messy bun on its own now. That's very shocking and exciting because I will probably be rocking this style a whole lot more, especially on bad hair days. Also, if you like this video, comment below which style was your favorite or which one you would like to try out on your own hair. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. I will see you in my next one. Bye.